Hello everyone, I'm Zoe, and this year I want to find my signature style, and to do that I gotta refine my wardrobe. So to start, I'm cleaning out my closet. So today we're going to try on all of my dresses and decide which ones to keep and which ones to get rid of, because I'm going through a bit of a style crisis. Half of me wants to dress like cute and frilly and young, and the other half wants to dress more sophisticated and classy and mature. And I know that there is like a sweet spot in the middle there where I can wear pink and feel cute and actually look like an adult, but I also know I am not hitting that sweet spot. Some days I dress like I'm 12 and some days I dress like I'm 60, so let's just start ripping apart my closet. So I'm going to include rompers and skirt sets in this video because I just have a few of them, and I'm going to make my decisions based on how much I like the item, how it can be styled, and its quality. So I definitely want less clothing in my wardrobe, but I also want to start investing in better quality pieces. So building a better wardrobe doesn't necessarily have to be expensive. I love thrifting and vintage items, and oftentimes those are inexpensive. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with slips because I'm going to be wearing some of these slips underneath dresses. So slip dresses. This is a handy little black one. It's nice underneath more open dresses and stuff like that. I also have a white one. I think I'm gonna keep both of them because they're pretty basic necessities and I use them both quite often. But the pink one, I don't think I really need 3 slip dresses, so I'm going to get rid of the pink one. So this dress ties in the back, and it would be perfect if I was going to prom, but I'm almost 30, so I think I'll be getting rid of this dress. Also, it's from Sears, and I don't know if Sears even exists anymore. I've had it for a long time. It's time to go. So this dress is getting glitter everywhere, but I'm not mad at it because it's so cute. I think it's the perfect party dress for like New Year's or something. It's from Le Chateau, but I've never worn it, but I'm going to wear it. I swear I'm gonna wear it, so I'm gonna keep it. Okay. So this dress is also from Le Chateau, and it is just a beautiful floor-length gown. I think everyone should have at least one floor-length gown in their closet, just for special occasions. And I actually have worn this one to a Christmas party one time. I was a little bit overdressed. This is not the right bra for it, but I'm gonna keep it because I think I should have one long formal dress. That's my reasoning. That's why I'm keeping it. So here is another floor-length formal dress. This one's floral, so I was very attracted to it. It has really pretty back. I wore this one time to a wedding in the Dominican, and I just don't think I'm ever gonna wear it again, so this one's a no. Okay, I finally got the right bra for the right dress. Now this is just a cute little dress from Toby. I love it. Cute little party dress. I just got it, so I am keeping it. Now this dress is more semi-formal. It's like a faux suede Fashion Nova midi dress. I really like the color, and I just got this. Haven't worn it yet, but I am gonna wear it. So I'm wearing my little slip underneath because this is more of like a jacket, but I think this is my favorite dress. I like to wear it as a dress. You just wrap it and tie it, and it's got little ties on the wrists and pockets. I love this dress. I just love this dress. It's from Le Chateau. So I'm wearing my black slip under this dress as well because this goes really low, and I was gonna say no to this dress because I never wear it, but now that I'm trying it on and looking at it, I kind of like it. I kind of want to make it work, and I think I could style it, dress it up with a blazer or dress it down with some sneakers. Okay, I'm gonna keep the dress. So this is more the direction that I want to go in. I really love this dress. I think it's from Dynamite, and it's really well made. It has a really cool fabric, and if you come up close you can see it's actually like an animal print. I love this dress. I'm keeping it. Now this is just a little sweater dress from Le Chateau, and I used to wear this dress a lot, but I don't really wear it anymore. I don't think it's my style anymore, so no. Now, this sweater dress is a good replacement for that one. I think I love the stripes and I love the off the shoulder. It's from Buffalo Jeans, surprisingly. And I'm gonna keep it because it's super cute. So I don't remember where I got this cute little crushed velvet number, but I really like it. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it. I've never worn it, but I'm gonna keep it. This is just not the direction I want to be moving in, so no. Now, the next few dresses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the next 7 dresses are all short floral dresses, so we're gonna make this the speed round. Yes. Yes. No. No. Subscribe. Yes. And no. And that concludes the speed round. Now we're gonna go on to long floral dresses. I'm just kidding, there's only one. And I love it. This striped maxi dress is from Vera Moda, and I really like it. It served me really well, but I just don't think it's my style anymore. Once again, cute maxi dress, just not my style. This is just a great basic midi dress from Le Chateau. Good basic, dress it up, dress it down, keeping it. Now this is just another basic midi dress, but this one has a little slit in the front and a zipper down the front, and I really like it. This is just a cute little bathing suit dress. I like the back. I don't know if I would wear it by itself, but I would definitely style it underneath something, so I'm gonna keep it. Now, at first I was only keeping this dress because I wear it for work, but I actually kind of love it. I think I can make this work. So I don't know what possessed me to buy this dress. I am not cool enough to wear a hoodie as a dress. And this still has the tags on it, so I'm getting rid of it. This is more the direction I want to go. I don't know how I would style this dress, but I really want to. This is a neat dress. The back is really cool. But it's just not me. It's just not me. So I'm wearing this over that pink slip because this is how I used to style it. And this is actually a bathing suit cover-up, but I used to wear it like this as a dress a lot. I don't think I'm going to be wearing it as a dress anymore, but I will keep it for a bathing suit cover-up. So I feel like everyone needs a denim dress. I think this would be really cute with like a t-shirt underneath. This dress is a tiny bit big, so I'm going to alter it. I'm going to keep it. So this dress is from Forever 21, and I just love the strappy back. It is very difficult to get into, but I think it would be really cute with like a little t-shirt underneath as well. Keeping it. So this is from Vera Moda, and if it was a dress, I would say no, but it's actually a skirt and a top, and they both look good by themselves. The shirt goes great with jeans, and the skirt goes great with a sweater or a tank. So I don't know if overalls count as rompers, but I do know they are not for me. So this cute little romper is from Forever 21, and I absolutely love it, even though it's a little bit low in the front. With a shirt underneath, it's perfect. Now, this last one is from Fashion Nova, and I thought it would be great for just like lounging around the house and stuff, but this just isn't me. I love that it's pink, but it's just not me. Okay, so this is what I'm keeping. This is what I'm getting rid of. I know the keep pile is a lot bigger than the giveaway pile, but you know what? I'm feeling a lot better about my closet already. And if you're interested in any of these items I'm getting rid of, I do sell clothes on Poshmark and Vinted. I'll link my closets down in the description if you're interested in any of these items. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun today, and I hope you did too. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you're looking for more, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol, same way it's spelled here. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching.